and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you could tune in and hang out with me today because today's video is kind of a spur of the moment video. I was not planning on making this video, but I got something in PR in the mail today that I was just like, oh, like it annoyed me so much. And honestly, recently, just skincare marketing, makeup marketing is just out of control. I see it all the time. I see brands trying to sell products and, spewing all this information to make it seem like this is the best or this is the best. And it's not always the correct information. And this product right here is just way over the top. I mean, I honestly feel so bad for people who are looking at this product thinking, oh my gosh, I need to have this. The ingredients, like all these claims just sound so amazing. Let's just dive in to what I'm talking about today. So this is what I got in the mail just a couple of minutes ago. It's the new Tilbury Collagen Superfusion Facial Oil. This is what I got in the mail. And as soon as I saw this, I was like, come on. Like Charlotte Tilbury, I used to really love her makeup. I don't know what's going on with Charlotte Tilbury. I feel like she's pumping out all this like marketing crap behind all of her products now, just like new makeup coming out constantly. And I feel like her brand is not that luxurious brand that it once was. I don't know what's going on with her brand anymore. I don't personally use a lot of her products, especially something like this. She's been coming out with skincare lately, and oh God, like this just is so insane. The marketing on this is just beyond crazy, you guys. So you see this in the store though, and for most people, you don't really know, and it's no one's fault. This is what everyone, most people are like this. They just see the claims and they think the claims or who it's coming from is like, the truth. So you're looking for skincare in Sephora, which you guys know you should never be looking for skincare in Sephora anyway, but there's still so many people that don't realize that stuff doesn't work. And here's a good reason why. So you're shopping around Sephora, you see this, and you're looking at it, it says your skin looks over 311% more radiant and smoother. It says clinically proven results that your skin appears over 337 times smoother and more even. Your skin feels over 311% firmer. You have 206+% more hydration in an hour. It visibly reduces the look of wrinkles by 80%, and then it has a little asterisk by it. And then your redness appears reduced by 74% with a little asterisk behind it. Now, I honestly can't even find on this package what that little asterisk even goes to. Oh, here it is. Tested on 30 people over 8 weeks, and the other one was tested on 15 people. Oh, you guys. Okay, so those are the most outlandish percentages I've ever seen. What in the world does over 311%, more radiant mean? Like that doesn't even make sense. None of these percentages make sense. How can your skin be over 200% more hydrated? Like they just don't make sense. But for most people, they're just like, oh my gosh, that sounds so good. So I flipped over to the ingredients, right away, right off the bat. And literally it is all these cheap oils. It's avocado oil and olive oil. And then it has a couple other fillers and oils, and then it says it has the collagen in it, which as soon as you see the word collagen in a skincare product, just stop, put it down, walk away, because there's no such thing as collagen in skincare. So collagen is a large molecule. You can't put collagen on the skin. It's not going to enter the skin. You cannot get it through the skin, and it's not going anywhere near the skin cells where any type of active ingredient needs to get to. So anytime you see something with collagen in it, just walk away. This has the worst ingredient deck. It's horrible. And the claims are beyond outrageous. And the fact that she's throwing collagen in here as this big marketing, it's gonna make your skin plump and firm and you're getting collagen, BS. So I saw this in the mail. I just had to share this with you guys. I didn't even open it up to even look at what the packaging looks like. But let's take a look, shall we? So this is your miracle facial oil right here. I posted this on Instagram, was talking about it, and I got tons of responses saying that a lot of YouTube people were actually raving about this, and that just drives me crazy because this is not even worth a cent of your hard-earned money. We all work so hard for the money we make, and we cannot be getting duped and just taken advantage by all of these marketing lies. So I just wanted to shed a little light on this product. This is not the only product out there like this. There is tons of marketing scams, tons of marketing lies and marketing myths out there. That's my spiel for today. Just a quick video. I hope this video just brings a little light to the marketing scams out there. There's so much when it comes to skincare and skincare formulating to make products that truly, truly work, because you need so many different vehicles and ways to get the ingredients into your skin. Medical grade skincare, as I've always shared with you guys, has the best technology for their ingredients, has the best technology for their delivery systems. So there's always things to really, really look at when you're looking for good skincare. So my first suggestion is to always look at ingredients and ingredient decks. My second tip is don't shop at Sephora for skincare in the first place. You're not getting the best ingredients, you're not getting the best formulations, and you are not getting the best delivery systems and science behind the products. All right, guys, that is it. That wraps up my little spiel on this product. I'm actually still in shock just looking at this wow. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this quick video. If you have any questions, any comments, leave them down below, and I will just see you all in my next video. Bye.